Okay, let's go back to the design. All right, let's see. I already adjust this area of the emitter resistor. The distance between those emitter resistors, they have 40.500 millimeters. Right now, from here to here is 40.500, and from here to here it has the same distance, 40.500. All right, so what I did today, I was reading your message, and what I did is I just adjusted so they will have the same distance. So right now this emitter resistor is going to have the same distance between them. So this one now has 40.500, same as this one here, from here to here, 40.5 millimeters. So what can I do today is create one PCB, just one single small PCB that is going to be more economical, so it can be used on both sides. But in this case, not like like this idea that it might be a bit expensive. You gotta use all the jumpers here. You gotta solder all the jumpers right here. You can see you gotta solder all the jumpers. One example I'm gonna show you by wire. Actually, yes, through the hole. Yeah, it's fine. And then you gotta place a fasten connector, a male fasten connector on both PCBs, so they will link. And the coil, well, let's wait for my software. And the coil and the resistor, they will remain on the main power board. They're gonna be at the bottom of the PCB, not on the top, because we're gonna continue using the first idea of having a small PCBs for the adaptation of the, let's see, where is it? The emitter resistor that is more available, so we can continue with the same idea instead of this one. So I just adjusted, like I said, I just adjusted today. I'm gonna create those small PCBs that can be used on both sides with the fasten connector, so you can connect it both because the spine fish spine, they needed to be connected. As you can see, that's the core of the output of the audio amplifier. And we have the coil is right here. I was mentioning about the feedback is this one here. This trace here is the feedback that is going to feed this R6 and R24. I call those the negative feedback resistors. So this is really important. So I'm going to try to have the standoff holes to be the same for both sides, for the NPN, sorry about that, so for the PNP area and the NPN area, so they will have the same how you say, installation holes, so you can put the standoff on both sides with only one single PCB, just one single PCB for both sides, that can be used for the adaptation of that a particular resistor. Is easier to find. It's a lot easier to find than the other one. So yeah, I was looking at the price. I think if I'm not wrong, that's Jen's. I think Jen Money. Sound like bling bling. Jen Money is okay. If I'm not wrong, it's okay. 5,967 something Japanese dollar. Sorry about that yen. Sorry about that dollar. Okay, $53.2. That's too much money. That is too much money. All right, I'm gonna continue doing that. Just yeah, we don't need to rush this. I can complete it maybe in a few hours. The PCBs and the main larger main master board is already done, complete. It's adjusted. It has the same both. We have the same distance. It's okay, so it's ready to go. All right, I will continue with this and I'll let you know later. Probably just sleeping right now. All right, man.